In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a SpongeBob voice with 11 labs. Now, if you come here and click on voices, and if you search the community voices, you will not find SpongeBob. You will have to create your own voice for SpongeBob. I already created one, for example, for Peter Griffin. So all you do is click on add a new voice, then click on instant voice clone. Okay. Now you need at least 10 seconds of audio. You can go ahead and download any audio clip of SpongeBob talking, and then you come and paste this in, right? This one right here is SpongeBob talking. So you go ahead and paste this audio clip, you drag and drop, or you can get it from your file explorer. Click on this to remove background noise from the audio recording, and go ahead and click on next. Now you'll need to add some voice information after this, basically just selecting your language as English, right? And then we can add a name. We can name this SpongeBob. And if you want, you can add other labels. I'll name this, SpongeBob voice. As a description, go ahead and click on save voice. Now go ahead and check this option right here to agree to the terms. Save the voice, and then we can start using it, okay? Now you can go ahead and click on generate speech. And let's go ahead and test out our SpongeBob voice. So the more, so here we go. So here are my voices. You can click on personal. We have SpongeBob right here. Click on use. Of course, the more audio you have, the better it will sound. Here. So let's do this with SpongeBob, right? Just go ahead and click on generate speech, but make sure stability is at least 50%. You don't want it to be too stable, otherwise it will sound monotone. Similarity, you want to keep it at least around 75 if you're doing less text. If you're doing more text, make it around 50%. Style exaggeration, keep it at none, 0%. Speaker boost, you can toggle this on. Now go ahead and generate your speech, and let's see how SpongeBob is going to sound.
A cold wind howled through the abandoned subway station as James stepped cautiously onto the cracked tiles, his flashlight flickering.
And you see, really that easy and simple, guys. Now you have your SpongeBob voice using 11 labs.